Hi guys, it's me, and today we're checking out a screen so massive and so advanced that it almost changes what you expect from a home TV experience. This is the Sony 85-inch Mini LED QLED 4K Ultra HD BRAVIA 9, the 2024 flagship model that pushes brightness, contrast, gaming performance, and cinematic immersion to a level that feels futuristic in all the right ways. And when this thing lights up, you immediately know you're looking at something built for the highest level of visual quality possible in a living room. The first thing that stands out is the Mini LED technology paired with Sony's QLED color performance. This combination gives you intense peak brightness, incredibly fine control over light zones, and a deep contrast level that makes HDR content look almost unreal. Scenes pop with clarity and definition. When bright highlights appear, they hit with precision, and darker scenes stay free of haze or blooming. It's the kind of display that makes you lean closer just to take in more detail. Sony's processing engine is doing some magic behind the scenes. Motion stays sharp even during fast camera pans. Low-quality videos get cleaned up in a way that makes them more watchable. Upscaling of HD content to 4K looks crisp without looking artificial. Every frame feels intentionally refined. And color accuracy is strong in that signature Sony way. Natural, controlled, with a premium cinematic tone instead of fake oversaturation. Gaming is where this TV becomes a clear standout. When paired with a PlayStation 5, the TV automatically adjusts settings for optimal performance. You get 4K at 120 Hz, variable refresh rate, and extremely low latency. Games look fluid, sharp, and vivid. Explosions carry brighter spark effects, shadows look richer, and fast movement stays easy to read. Anyone who loves competitive or visually demanding gaming will instantly notice the improvement. The picture quality doesn't just look better, it feels smoother. Audio is another area where this model steps up. The BRAVIA Theater Quad brings a wide soundstage with clarity that feels precise and immersive. Dialogue sits forward and easy to understand. Effects move around with surprising directionality. The bass is tight but deep enough to give movies a more dramatic impact. When you combine this kind of audio with an 85-inch panel, the entire viewing experience becomes more cinematic, making it feel like you've moved the theater into your home. The built-in Google TV interface is fast, clean, and simple to navigate. Apps load quickly, recommendations look organized instead of cluttered, and voice control works reliably. Streaming in 4K HDR loads instantly on most platforms, and everything from movies to long-form content feels fluid and visually rich. Even everyday browsing becomes elevated because of the size and clarity of the display. Design-wise, the TV holds that premium Sony look: thin bezels, sleek profile, sturdy construction, and a minimalist aesthetic that fits into almost any living room setup. Even cable management feels smart. The TV blends presence with elegance, making an 85-inch screen look refined instead of overwhelming. Living with a screen this large is a whole new experience. You don't just watch movies, you feel them. Sports become more dynamic, games become more intense, and streaming shows feel more lifelike. With Mini LED and Sony's advanced processing, every moment looks sharper, brighter, and fuller. If you want to buy this Sony 85-inch Mini LED QLED 4K Ultra HD TV BRAVIA 9 Smart Google TV with Dolby Vision HDR and exclusive PlayStation 5 features, then please visit the link provided in the description.